Okay, let's upgrade our Dolphin website from 7.09 to 7.1. First thing you're going to do, obviously, is back up your website. And that means the database as well as the file system. Now you can go into your cPanel and do that in a couple of clicks. I believe I have a video here that shows how to back up your Dolphin website. So we'll just move right on to step one. Okay. This QR code on the screen will bring you to my website. If you need any help doing this, just contact me that way. Okay. So first, let's go to our website and go to the admin and log in. We're going to change the template back to its original, which I'm pretty sure this one already is. So under template, you're just going to make sure that this is set to UNI. Okay. And after you change it, make sure you click the save button. Okay. So then we need to go into our modules, and we're going to uninstall two of them, and that's because they had a lot of changes apparently, so they're incompatible with it. So we're going to take out the wall, which I don't think I'm using on this one, and the spy, both of which I'm not using on this side. But you would just click on these two while they'd be up here in the installed modules, and you would just click them and then click in the uninstall, and it would take care of the rest. So this also has profiles, map, and open social, which are things I'm not using on this one, as well as the data migration. If you upgraded from Dolphin 6.1, you'd have the data migration module installed, but I don't have it on here. But they also need to be uninstalled. Okay, so then you're going to go to this URL here, and I'll put it at the bottom of the video for those that don't have a QR reader. Go to the URL that this QR code takes you to and download the patch. It's actually listed under step 4. Okay, so let's go to our FTP. So first of all, we're going to look in the, now this is all locally, I've just unzipped the file that they give you, and let's move this up a bit so you can see what I'm doing. Inside upgrade, there is a file, of course, you can't see it here. Let's close.
It's 11 o'clock.
In case you needed to know. Let's close this one. Okay, so first you're going to delete this htaccess file inside the upgrade folder, not the one in the root of your folder, otherwise that will totally cripple your site. Okay, so let's delete that one, and we're going to confirm it with a yes. Okay, so the next step is to upload all of the files that were inside the patch download that you got in step 4. I'm going to upload all of those to the website. Okay? Now you should watch, depending on what application you're using to upload, it may not overwrite them all. So what I do is just watch to make sure that the transfer is successful, and watch to see that it says something like the same, not transferred, or skipped or something, and just make sure it's a forced upload. Now, I'm not entirely sure how long that will take. So next we're going to go in the remote view. We're going to change the permissions of a couple of files on here. So we're going to change sitemap first. We're going to go set the permissions. And here we want to go 777, so it's all writable. Okay, actually 666, sorry. Okay, and then a couple other ones to do. So modules, Boonex profile. So let's go up to the modules. Modules, Boonex, profiler. Log. permissions. Idle execute. So that's 777, I believe. Yep. Okay, so we also have to go into sites module and the data. Images. Just put this wire so you can see it. Thumbs. And we're going to do the same thing here. Set permissions. Again, write all. Now, if you have the forum installed, you have to go in there and get rid of that as well. So let's go into the forum. And inside the classes, and inside is the translation. So when you compile a language, and delete the following folders. Okay. I believe it's in basic. Delete that one. Move it in. Oops. And what else? Yeah, those two. This one. And this one. And we're going to delete those ones. Okay, so those are going to go ahead and delete. Should be pretty quick. Now we're going to delete some of the images out of your template here. Inside the Uni, which is the template I happen to use on this site. See something called Zodiac, and apparently we want to delete that one as well. Okay, so I'm just confirm you have deleted it, and we'll get rid of all those images. Okay, so now we're going to go to the site. Now, if this is like other Dolphin updates, you have to be logged in as admin to do the upgrade. So make sure that you're logged in as admin and go to the upgrade path. Okay. 7.9 to 7.1 beta should be able to go up to the next one. At the bottom of this is going to tell you some very important stuff at the bottom. Let me just scroll so you can see that. At the bottom, the last step on the upgrades for Dolphin, there's always this really important thing you have to do. So apply the patch 7.01 to 7.02. So we're going to go back to the upgrade folder, and 7.1 to 2 is upgrades. So now we'll do it again and say yes. It's just going to step us up through the upgrades. Okay, so now it's saying go to the upgrade patch to 7.01. We're going to upgrade again. Here we are, see? And we're going to ask if you're sure and say yeah. Now at the bottom of this one, so here we're going to start here. Add the following lines to your header. So let's copy these ones from here. And let's go into the ink folder. Where are we here? Ink. Header ink. Let's go back over to here. We're going to add it right after the database area. Okay. Scroll down until you find your database information, which is right here. Okay. I'm going to gray that area Change the following line in ink. So let's look for the error reporting in ink. Okay, so it's right here. What we'll do is we'll just paste over top of that one. Go back over here. Change this one here to be 7.1. So let's go back into the header. It's at the top. Let's do this. There we go. Now, I don't know whether it'll let me do this through a browser, but let's give it a try. Oops. Put that out of there. Oh, I gotta save this one up there first, so otherwise it doesn't know it's the right version. Okay, so now we'll try that one. There you go. Perfect. I believe that finishes it up. Let's go see. We have to delete the upgrade folder. Easy cheesy. Okay, let's delete that one. Confirm that you want to delete it. And let's go. What else we have to do? Delete the cache, obviously. Okay. So we're going to go to reCAPTCHA. We're going to create a key. And I'm going to put in the website that I'm using it on. Okay, create the key. There's the key here. We're just going to put that aside for now. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the admin area of our site. Back to the admin area on our site and see what's happened here. Probably going to have to redo the languages. Settings. That's a good question. Oh yes, we have to remove the cache, which I'm still waiting for the upgrade to uninstall there. I'll just go ahead and get rid of the caches, clear up the caches. You can do it inside the admin area, but it's better to do it in the file system than you're sure it's getting done. Here, delete, and confirm that you want to delete them. I think I'm going to do a bit of work in the template area. More just to learn the new templating features, so maybe I'll throw together a video on the basic outline and setup of Dolphin's new templating system. Now, when that's completed, we're going to do the other cache directory, the cache public. Get rid of everything out of that one as well. Confirm that. done. Now let's go back over to here. Tools. Love the new interface. Let's see. What kind of languages? Let's compile a language in here. It's compiled successfully. Well, let's go to the home page and check that out. Seems to be. Somehow their Boonex news ended up on my home page again. But it seems to have gotten the languages all set up. Let's go to the admin panel. Yeah, appears that it's done it. I believe we're successful. Just gotta love this new interface. I think this is awesome. It's good work, Boonex. Good work, guys, for sure. All right, I think I'll end the video there, and I will come back with a different video. Remember, if you need to get a hold of me, just go to this URL, or you could also just scan this one here, and it will send me an email or give me my email address from that. Okay?